Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create automations in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our conversations and our DMs. From here we just have to go into a channel where we want to create an automation. Then we can tap on Connect Apps. Here. Now the app is going to load. And here we have some featured apps from which we can choose from. But to create our custom automation, we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the parallel lines. Here we can tap on build. And here we have a few choices. We can either create functions, workflows, triggers, or other things. We can just tap on the one that we want to create, and here it's going to write all the things that we have to know and that are necessary for us to create such a thing in the Slack app. And yeah, we can just proceed afterwards with filling in the details. But this is where you find the automation creation process. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.